How to update Instagram account with new features. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can update your Instagram account with new features. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. What you'll have to do is head over to your account app store, and on your app store, you will need to head over to the search bar on the bottom right. After you here, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Then find the Instagram app, and if you see the update button right here instead of the open button, tap on update. Now, sometimes your device will only support, you know, uh, a certain version of new versions of apps. So if you want, you can simply update your software as well. So go to General, go to Software Update, and if you see an update available like this, tap on Update now and update your software. After you update your software, you can come back here to your app store and search for Instagram again and then update the Instagram app. And it's basically that simple. And that's how you update Instagram account with new features. Now enjoy the new features and bye bye. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.